Want to compare two strings in Java and understand exactly what's going on behind the scenes? In this video, I'll guide you through each step so you can confidently compare strings like a pro developer. But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are learning Java. Alright, let's start with a common scenario. We have a string data1 initialized to hello. If we compare it to the literal hello using the equals operator, the result is true. This is because Java is efficient and places string literals in a special memory area called the string pool, reusing the same object for identical literals. Now, let's create a second string, data2, using newString, hello. This explicitly creates a new string object in memory, even though its value is the same. So, when we compare data1 equals data2, the result is false. Why? Because the double equals operator checks for reference equality. It's asking if both variables point to the exact same object in memory. In this case, they don't. So, how do we check if the strings have the same content? For this, you should always use the .equals method. This method compares the actual sequence of characters in the strings. When we run data1 equals data2, the result is true, which is what we usually want. You can also use compareTo method. This method is used for ordering and sorting. It compares two strings lexicographically, character by character. It will return 0 if the strings are identical like this, returns a negative integer if the string calling the method comes before the argument string, and it returns a positive integer if it comes after. Let's change our strings to hi and hello and compare them. As you can see, compareTo returns a positive number because hi comes after hello alphabetically. Specifically, it returns 4, which represents the difference in the number of unmatched characters after the common prefix. In this case, both strings share only the first character h, while the rest, lo, makes up the difference. So to recap, use equals only when you need to know if two variables refer to the exact same object. Use .equals to check if two strings have the same character content. This is what you'll want 99% of the time. Use .compareTo when you need to sort strings or determine their alphabetical order. If this guide helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.